The transfer of Sweden's ASC-890 Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) aircraft to Ukraine is proceeding as planned, according to a March 21, 2025 report from the Delphi News website. This significant military aid package, initially announced by the Swedish Ministry of Defense on May 29, 2024, represents a crucial upgrade to Ukraine's airspace monitoring and defense capabilities amid its ongoing war against Russia's invasion. The ASC-890, developed by the Swedish defense company Saab, is built on the Saab 340 twin-engine turboprop platform and is equipped with the AREI radar, a state-of-the-art active electronically scanned array (AESA) system. This powerful sensor can detect and track both aerial and maritime threats over a 400-kilometer range, even in environments with electronic jamming or complex terrain. Its ability to provide real-time battlefield intelligence makes it an essential force multiplier for Ukraine's air defense strategy. The ASC-890 AEW&C aircraft is designed to function as an airborne command and control center, providing early warning of incoming enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, and drones, coordination of air defense responses, linking fighter aircraft, ground-based air defenses, and command centers, airspace management, directing friendly aircraft and deconflicting operations, support for naval operations, tracking maritime targets to enhance situational awareness. This aircraft will significantly enhance Ukraine's ability to conduct integrated air and missile defense by improving coordination among its various air and ground-based defense systems. Sweden's decision to transfer the ASC-890 marks a deepening commitment to supporting Ukraine's resistance against Russian aggression. The aircraft's arrival will reinforce Ukraine's air defense network, allowing for more effective interception of Russian missile and drone attacks. As of March 2025, Ukrainian Air Force personnel are undergoing extensive training in Sweden to ensure they can operate and maintain the system effectively. This preparation will enable Ukraine to fully integrate the ASC-890 into its air defense strategy upon delivery. The ASC-890 transfer is part of Sweden's broader military assistance program for Ukraine, which has seen a steady increase in advanced military aid since Russia's full-scale invasion in February 2022. Over the past 3 years, Sweden has supplied Ukraine with an array of high-tech military systems, including CV-90 infantry fighting vehicles, which have proven highly effective on the battlefield, Archer self-propelled howitzers, enhancing Ukraine's long-range artillery capabilities, RBS-70 and Iris-T air defense systems, strengthening Ukraine's ability to intercept aerial threats, Stridsvagn 122 tanks, Sweden's variant of the Leopard 2A5, bolstering Ukraine's armored forces. With a total military aid commitment of 61.9 billion Swedish kronor, approximately 5.4 billion euros, Sweden has positioned itself as one of Ukraine's top European defense partners. Ukraine's airspace remains under constant threat from Russian missile and drone attacks. The ASC-890's ability to provide continuous aerial surveillance and real-time coordination among defensive units is expected to be a game-changer. By enhancing command and control capabilities, the aircraft will allow Ukraine to respond faster and more effectively to threats, increasing the efficiency of its fighter jets and air defense systems. The delivery of the ASC-890 on schedule underscores Sweden's reliability as a strategic defense partner and reaffirms its commitment to strengthening European security. In supporting Ukraine, Sweden's increased military assistance signals its growing alignment with NATO and a proactive stance in securing Europe's eastern flank. The ASC-890 not only aids Ukraine's survival but also plays a key role in helping the country regain operational superiority over its airspace. As Russia continues its aggressive military campaign, the ASC-890's deployment will help Ukraine defend against aerial threats, manage its forces more effectively, and ultimately strengthen its long-term military posture. With Sweden's ASC-890 AEW&C aircraft transfer moving forward on schedule, Ukraine is set to receive a crucial force multiplier in its fight against Russia. This advanced airborne surveillance and command platform will Enhance Ukraine's airspace monitoring and missile defense. Improve coordination between air. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.